The last method that we will be presenting today is the edges detection. And here's a good example. The edge detection, the algorithm is closely related to the watershed detection. But in that case here, we're not looking for local peaks or pits, but we are looking at steep slopes. And to do so, you will find that method here, edge detection. And you will see choices that are fairly similar to what we have already covered for the watershed detection. You still have a pre-processing to avoid local defect, for instance. And again, you can use the pruning criteria. If you unselect this one, you will end up with over-segmentation. Too much details, especially in the bottom layer here and on the bottom layer here and in the top layer here. So by using the height criteria, for instance, 1%, you see it's not enough, then you increase 5%. Then we still have a bit here that we need to merge together, maybe 10%. And I would say it's good enough. When you are happy with those settings here, you click on OK. Now, something important to know about the edge detection. If we go change the display option with the particle in color, with the edge detection, quite often the background here might be considered as a particle. And you can, if you sort these by project area, you will see a big one and then the other one. So we want to avoid this, and to do so, you can simply right-click on the particle and select delete. Then it will be deleted. Finally, you can also fine-tune the view here, refining slightly, and we remove the particle on the edges. And now it could be interesting to display directly on this view some parameters calculated, for instance, the Zmax. And to do so, you have this option here called Show Values. So you could show the ID, but you could also show any number of parameters that you have calculated, for instance, the Zmax. And you have those values that you can read more easily directly on the view itself. The edge detection can also be used when you have a couple of particles isolated sitting on an uneven background.